I did do my master's degree for China. Ma show a couple of reasons why I fuck with China, pa. So yeah, now in a place where you can charge your e-bike. Most of us for here we get e-bike. Now this pink one where they work at too. Now my own be this, you charge, see. And to charge them, you no go far. Like this thing when they for this corner for here. You just scan the code, pay your 1 yuan or your 2 yuan, charge your bike. Like 2 yuan if you charge them all night. And your bike they safe. Nobody they thief am. Like I dey leave my bike for there with the key for 1 month, travel, come back. Like he did the exact place where I keep am. This one on my building be this. This side here now na the entrance to my building. Now where then they keep packages. See people package when they never come pick up. So if your package there, just come here, put your code or scanner. One of these boxes could just open, you just collect your package, they go. You know, nobody want when dispatch could call you, they tell you say then if you find your house or dispatch don't chop your food or you know where all those things for China. Now the building big share, you get like 33 floors or so. So you get about 4 elevators, I think. Yeah, you get 4 elevators. Because to the climb stairs, the tire person, you know, I seen the stress person, it's no good. So now I don't go up like this. Here na my own floor. First come outside, just buy water, buy drink, buy noodles. Then this wardrobe went for here now. Like if you get extra thing for your house and no space, just keep on here. Me at the manufacturer, so I always keep stuffs for that side. If you want to go inside, you go just scan your card, you know, enter inside. Without that card, you no go fit enter. Now this corner now na kitchen, e big. This place where my guys then come link me, you go just dey for this corner where they play games. You feel? I fuck it and heavy. Yeah, now if Bunny come too, now yeah, they carry the come do dates. If I no get money to go outside, you know, this place now na place for your pets. People ain't get cats now. Then go the flex this side. Me I no get cats yet, but I go like buy cause cats then just cute, waiting no good. Like they're just too fine, you know. Your cat girl they feel like president. Girl they chill, you know. Yeah, now my own room be this one. You know guys they carry key, they walk around me. You no go lost your key. See how they put my code. They put them on camera. And they even fear because you know if you can't see for you. I won't even carry con here. You know if you enter inside, if you enter, see camera everywhere. You know, see camera, like 20 cameras there for this place from like different angles. So you they safe 100% for China. Like that safety they bust my head, you know. Now I'm all going inside my room. Yeah, now my own room. My room come with fridge. It come with washing machine. You know. See my toilet. I fuck with them heavy, like the shower, I love them like hot water. You know, normally, you know, if you have shower sex, if you dey bath from buckets. So, you know. Now, see this place. See your hanger for there. You go hang your own clothes inside your room. Nobody go thief your clothes. See my guitar. I dey learn to play guitar to impress Bunny them. The bed soft, waiting no good. Mocha foam they learn. You know. See on this side now. See this building when I come my apartments like last month, the building been dead down in like a month. They don't build and go up. I swear these people then they inspire me waiting no good. I swear to God. You know, I dey try lock up for my DJing P. See extra wardrobe. Now they put my jacket them. You know. And the cool thing about this place be say if you pay your rent monthly. So Marsha how much are they pay per month? 225,500. You no go far.